Hey everyone! I will show you in today's easy tutorial how to sign up to Asana.com. Welcome to the channel. Let's dive into it. Asana is a work management platform designed to help teams organize, track, and manage their work. In order to sign up, first you need to open your browser and go to the search bar and search for Asana.com and then press enter. When the page is loaded, you need to go down and click this Get Started button. First, you need to write down your email in this box. I already signed up here to show you how it works. So web page automatically fill my email, but you need to write down yours. When you're done writing your email, click on sign up button. Then Asana wants to verify your email address. Simply click continue with Google because it's way more convenient. And then I'm going to select my account. You need to write your full name here. And then click on continue. You can select your team role here. If you're a project manager, you can click on this. Or you can completely skip this part and do it later. But I'm going to choose individual contributor and then press continue. So in here, you need to select your main objective. Basically, why are you using Asana? So you can select one of these choices. If you are going to work on your portfolio and workload management, you can select this. Again, you can skip that part too. You can do it later, but I'm going to select personal task management and then press continue. You can add tasks here, so I'm going to add just one, but you can add more. Let's say meeting, and then press continue. And in here, you can select how do you want to organize your tasks. So I'm going to select calendar because it looks nice, I think. So I'm going to press continue once again. So if you want to collaborate with someone, you can write their emails and Asana will send them an invitation link, but I'm going to skip that part too. If you want, you can download their mobile applications, but I'm going to skip that now too. And that's it. You got 30 days free trial and you can select additional plans from here. And basically which one fits you the most, you can select it. And that's it. And this is how to sign up to Asana.com. If you found this video helpful, tap the like and subscribe button to help others to find this video. Thank you for watching.